Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I'm going to be talking about another commonly asked question that we have from our customers here at Kaiser Willys. We're going to be discussing round shoulder tires versus square shoulder tires and what exactly does that mean. So I'm going to pull a couple of these tires up here and show y'all exactly what square shoulder versus round shoulder looks like. All right, so as you can see, you've got a rounded shoulder right here. Just kind of a roundness to it. And then you've got square shoulder. So it kind of comes to a point. So that's your square shoulder tire. And that's your round shoulder. So we have this in 616. We've got it in 716. You've got round shoulder, square shoulder. I think we've got some 750s, but this is going to be the 600 size. And when we talk about 600, we're talking about the width of the tire. So you can see the width of the tire is pretty much the same, square shoulder versus round shoulder. Now back to the question that we get a lot, which is what do you prefer? What are most of the guys buying? Well, I would say more people are buying the squared off tire versus the rounded style tire. That's just from the people that call in, that place the orders and so forth. Is there a preference? I don't think that there's really going to be a preference. For me, I like the squared off look. It looks a little bit more aggressive than the round one. I don't know that functionality wise, you're going to get much difference between round and a sharp, squared off edge here. So you can't really go wrong with either one. This is by far the more popular tire. But that does not mean that this one is bad or anything like that. This is just the more popular one. So I kind of want to discuss a commonly asked question that I get a good number of times from customers is, what's the difference? Round shoulder versus square shoulder. This is the difference. So I hope this helps in making your decision. You can't really go wrong with either tire, but we do offer both styles and in those different size ranges. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.